welcome to Menon's Delicacies. This is Lata here. Hope you all are fine and good. Wishing you all a very happy new year. So this time I'm coming with the first dish of this year, which is called as fish pira. I'm using anchovies, which is also called as nettoli in Malayalam. So let's start the preparation. So let's start making the fish. Now this is anchovies. 1 kg of anchovies I have cleaned and marinated with turmeric and salt. We call this as nettoli in Malayalam. So this is basically, the dish is called as nettoli pira. This is cambooj, which is called as kodumbuli, a kind of tamarind which Kerala people use for most of the fish recipes. 1 inch of ginger chopped, salt, 1½ teaspoon of salt. I've taken red chili. You can take green chilies also. I've taken ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, curry leaves, and this is coconut oil, which is very important for this fish recipe. Taken 1 coconut, fully grated, garlic, around 8 cloves of garlic, some 10 to 15 small shallots, and green chilies here. Now these things will be crushed for the fish. Now the first stage of preparation is, I've taken an earthen clay pot. If you don't have that, you can use any kind of pan, but fish tastes very nice in this clay pot. Taking that, I'm going to add this fish into this pot. So first turmeric and salt is added, so you'll have to add it accordingly. I'm going to add this ginger, turmeric again, salt, this red chilies. If you have green chilies, you can use that also. Curry leaves, tamarind. Give a mix. Now this is mixed well. Now the next stage is to crush the coconut, the small shallots, garlic and chilies. I've taken a mixer grinder, so I'll be adding this coconut. Now the coconut is added, I'm going to add the garlic. These are the 4 things which we have to just crush. Please remember that you don't have to grind it. It has to be just crushed. That's it. I'll just crush and then get back. Now our coconut is crushed. Now if you can't crush it at one go, you can just add 2 tablespoons of water, which I have added, because anyways you will have to add water a bit for cooking the fish. So now the next stage is the cooking of the fish. Now we are going to add the crushed coconut to the fish and just give a slight mix with the spoon. Don't do it with a big spatula, because the fish can break. We will add just 1/4 cup of water for the fish to be cooked. So our fish is mixed with the coconut mix very nicely. Now I'm going to add curry leaves, 1 strand of curry leaves. We'll close with the lid and simmer it for almost 10 minutes because this fish is very small. It takes very less time to cook. So our fish is done. It just needed 10 minutes to cook. Now the last stage of fish is adding lots of curry leaves, because the aroma and the flavor of curry leaves is very important in the fish. And definitely the flavor of coconut oil. I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And we're not going to use the spoon now. I'll show you how to do this. You have to just take a cloth or any other thing which you can hold up and just do this way. So our fish pira is ready. It is made with nettoli fish, which is also called as anchovies in English. Now this can be made with small sardines also, and this is one of the very quickest recipe to make. It can be enjoyed with Kerala paratha, rice, or on its own too. So if you have loved the recipe, please like, share, subscribe with your family and friends.